Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Microsoft Signature Keyboard with Slim Pen 2 for the Surface Pro 8 and Surface Pro X. So this retails for roughly $270 US. This is a redesign, not incredibly different, but the Slim Pen 2 now gets pocketed on the type cover, which I think is a great thing. So if you just purchased a Surface Pro 8, like the ones I'm covering, this is the Core i5 version, which I think is the sweet spot in terms of price to performance ratio, $1,400 US with 16 gigs of RAM and a 256 gig SSD. You're going to want to pick up one of these, otherwise you simply will not get the full potential out of your Surface experience. Otherwise, why even bother with a Surface Pro? And I will include a link in the description. There are a lot of different colors and variations with the type cover, but of course the important thing is having the pen and typing capability, because that is what makes the Surface, well, the tablet that can replace your computer. So there you have it. Pretty straightforward. I do wish on this generation that they would have made the touchpad a little bit larger, and it's rare that you'll hear me say that, because generally I am not a fan of grossly tremendous trackpads, but I do think that this was a missed opportunity, and that's I'm nitpicking, because this still is going to end up being under 2 pounds. It magnetically, as I missed there, just snaps right on. Still missed. Boy, I'm really showing off, aren't I? There it goes. And of course, throw your kickstand out. The beauty of having a Surface Pro. You can see already it is charging the pen. You saw the light come on, and then of course you can use it in this capacity. Key travel seems nice enough, but very similar to previous generation type covers. It's not incredibly different. And then the second position is that right there, which, I've noticed that magnetically, now that they've pocketed the pen in there, it doesn't snap on as seamlessly as days past when there wasn't a pen in between. But I still think this is a very smart design choice by Microsoft to have transitioned to, because now, you're good to go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. In terms of other things in here, they're just telling you to attach it to your Surface and place the pen in the charging tray to wake it up. That's pretty much it. So pretty seamless. I think it was a smart design change. Microsoft didn't invent this design. I think the first time I saw this was with Dell laptops with pen input, that they incorporated it into pocketing inside of the machine. Those are, weren't expensive machines. They're actually less expensive than this guy right here, even in this build. Again, $1,400, $270 for the pen keyboard combo. And some of you will tell me how, the keyboard and pen should come included with the Surface Pro lineup. That's a debate for another day. I don't disagree with you, but Microsoft hasn't included a pen since when? Gen 2, I think, was the last time the pen was included. Correct me if I'm wrong. I have no problem being corrected as long as you're right. But that pretty much covers it. Again, this is a must-have accessory for anyone picking up the Surface Pro 8 or Pro X. It's really the entire premise of the design language, is that for under 2 pounds, literally just about 2, you have everything you need. You're good to go. Thunderbolt 4 ports, an 11th gen Intel processor, a 13-inch 120 hertz display with adaptive refresh. We'll see how that works out with battery life. A 1080p webcam for video conferencing with new microphones as well. You can record 4K video with that rear camera as well as shoot stills. And of course now the keyboard cover that turns the tablet that is the Surface Pro into the tablet that can replace your laptop, which has always been the intended purpose. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe, and please stay safe. Later.